This is Rene Beers. I'm gonna teach you how to some tips to do a timing belt for 96 to 2000 Civic 1.6 by 7 or Y8. First of all, you gotta prepare the car, take the, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the alternator bracket out. Put on the top like this. In the bottom too, you see. It's like they look alike from top to bottom. That's TDC1. Take the power pump out and put it on the side right here. And clean this one like a whistle. On the timing for the belt on top, you can mark it right here with the white. You can use white pen and then a little nail or something and make the stripes right there. So when you make your points, it's gonna be right on the money. You can see right there. And the bottom, same thing. You mark it right there. So you can see the mark, and then I make a little mark right here. So when you put it in, like this, will match with the other one. Like this. Right. Like that. And then if you're gonna put the timing belt, why not check the water pump? So this is the trick I know to check it. Yeah. You put your finger right here. There's two holes, one for the respiration and the other one here for that one. That's where they start leaking from here. So in other words, I'm going to teach you how to go here. Put and I'm going to show you here and cover this hole right here. It's tough. That happens when you don't have money. And then what I did, no bubbles. And this one, here. I need an assistant, so let's see here. This is a bubble there. No bueno. And then another thing, when you put the belt, make sure you have your wrench right here, the 14-inch. And then you have a 5-speed, you're lucky. Because when you put the timing belt, instead of putting the bolt, you can put in 5th gear the car with this one. Hold on. Put in 5th gear, right there. So when the timing belt is on and you want to adjust it the max, just do this one, like this, and you see how it's going to move the bottom? It's going to tie by itself. Okay? That's the tip for today, guys. Enjoy it. This is Rene Beers, looking for sponsors. Thank you.